Why are car insurance costs rising? Here how much more you could pay in 2023. People are spending more of their money on auto insurance and that cost is likely to continue growing. Drivers nationality are spending on average of 2.3% of their income on car insurance this year, based on an average annual premium of dollar for full coverage insurance and the national coverage average annual income is 68.852 dollar. Bank rate said that amount rose from 2.57% in 2022 when the average premium was $1.71 and the difference means car insurance rates increased by nearly 40% between 2022 and 23 compared with an overall rise in yearly inflation of 2.6.5% in December. Workforce rates will keep rising this year as auto insurance continue to catch up with exploding cost of repair parts, labor and claim, experts say. Basically, that means most insurers are losing money on auto policies, said Marathon P&C Insurance Executive Managing Director and Athletic Company GD Power. Shocking price. Satellite CEO says electric vehicle tech cost include means similar marker for new cars. Find the best car insurance of 2023. Electric future Rolls Royce in the first electric car, being all electric Gold see the regularly $4,000 car. What state are spending the largest portion of their income on auto insurance? New York spent the highest percentage of their income on car insurance, 1.18% percentage point from a year ago. The state average annual premium of $3,139 is well above the national average of $2,014 and $143 higher than last year. The high premium is likely due in part to the crowded roads in the state. Bankrate insurance editor Kat Deventer wrote in the report, more vehicles on the road increase the risk of accidents and reduce the risk to insurers which charge a higher rate to compensate. Was a closed second, rising 0.48 percentage point to 4.9 percentage with an average annual premium of $3,183, up $421 from 2023. Minor pay 1.03% of their income and car insurance, the smallest amount, likely because mines far less densely populated than the New York or Florida, which results in fewer car accidents. The percentage fell 0.41 percentage point from last year. Mine's average premium is 941.53 percentage dollar lower than the national average, even though it's up $65 from last year. Were amount at 1.16% was next with an average annual premium of dollar up $61 from 2022. Last year, Vermonter paid 1.48% of their income to car insurance. Trading Trending water. Buying a car now means you will likely to underwater